Last Sunday, I hurt myself getting onto the ski tube, so it was great today to be able to get on snow and get some skiing in again.
Pump the bass.